As you are preparing for your ClearTouch Virtual Professional Development session, the ClearTouch PD team would like to take a moment to highlight the setup and logistics that will enable your attendees to have the best hands-on virtual learning experience. Due to on-site configuration, schedules, and other needs, a virtual PD session may be the best option. We assure you that our team implements the best strategies for virtual learning. For active learning during the virtual session, attendees will be required to have their webcams on. For continuous learning after the virtual session, please make sure attendees have registered for the ClearTouch Academy. We ask that the attendees have access to a ClearTouch panel during the virtual session. Attendees can work together in pairs or a team of 3 to meet this requirement. By having access to the ClearTouch panels, this allows us to facilitate a hands-on learning experience for teachers where they can collaborate, create, apply, and share. Attendees will also need to have a separate device that has an integrated microphone and webcam. This separate device will be used to join the Zoom call. Once attendees have joined the Zoom call, then the device should be pointed at the ClearTouch panel. This will help us facilitate the learning and assist if any challenges arise. For attendees that have an integrated PC installed on their ClearTouch panel, they will also be required to log in to the PC module to follow along. Attendees will not join the Zoom call from the panel. They will use a separate device, as previously mentioned. For attendees that will be connecting a Windows or Mac external device to the ClearTouch panel, we require that all training software is installed prior to the start of the session. Attendees will not join the Zoom call from the panel or the connected device, but instead will use a separate device as previously mentioned. For attendees following this connectivity type, they will have 2 separate devices. Please share the setup and logistics document with your IT department for information on software updates, installation, and network requirements that are required prior to your scheduled virtual session.